1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my makeup using a makeup. So welcome back once again to my channel. So I'll be doing my makeup, my full face of makeup using, I'll be getting ready with you guys using another makeup artist makeup kit. No, I have to do my intro first. Rewind. Welcome back once again to my channel. If you are meeting me for the first time, hi, I am Fefarater. My channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, and beauty entertainment. And today I'll be getting ready with you guys and doing my makeup using another makeup artist kit. So if you guys want to see how I get ready using another makeup artist kit, then definitely do stick around with me and let's just get started basically. So alright, let me prep my skin first. I'm excited. Let me prep my skin before. No, I gotta go into our kit and get wipe and see if there's wipe in our makeup kit. And the makeup kit I'm using, sorry, I didn't say, is makeup by Annie. She's a wonderful makeup artist. I've been working with her for a long time now, and I vibe with her a lot. So I'm using a full makeup kit to do my makeup. So let me just go in and see if there's wipe. Let's start. This is the eyeshadow. Yes. Ooh, guys, I found new eyeshadow in a kit, but I'm not going to use that. And I'm not going to show the brand. So I am not doing anything. Is there wipe in this bag? Now, and I'm using the flawless setting spray. Like I said, I'll be getting ready with you guys. I'm going to film another professional video. After this video is a broadcast video, and I know you guys will enjoy that video a lot. So I'm just getting ready for that video, and I'm doing my makeup with you today. Because some of you, like, you love seeing me do my makeup. So quick spoiler alert, or will I say, I'm using my brushes. I'm not using makeup brushes. I'm using my personal brushes, but I'm using all the products for my kits, if you guys understand. My brushes are messed up, guys. My brushes are messed up. Like, I've not washed my brushes for a long time, so I'm actually spreading this thing all over my face. I love doing that because setting spray, sometimes the bottle tip like does not spray to the entire face, so I use the brush to spread everything on my face. And I'm actually going to do my personal moisturizer. I use my personal moisturizer in doing my makeup. I don't take that risk. But I'm using my personal moisturizer. But I'm going with primer from Kiss. I don't know if I'll find any better primer. I don't know, but any makeup, like, she have one of the top products I know of. If you follow her on Instagram, you know what I was saying. If you follow her on Instagram, put her Instagram and do somewhere in the screen so you guys are going to follow her. Because I'll massage this injury. So the first product I'll be looking for in this bag, I don't know where to start from, truly. I don't know where to start from. I found this, but I'm not going to use this primer. I'm seeing a lot of primers here. Ooh, I see my favorite primer. I like using this primer, but I'm just going to use a little on my T-zone area because this professional shoot, we're doing it in the house, so I'm not going anywhere. This primer is so good for bright, for party glam. Just 2 pump. That's what I'm using for my full face of makeup. So how have you guys been? Like, it has been 1 month, and Tracy can tell we have not filmed a video. Like, we have not filmed a video for 1 month, you guys. And I'm not left the house for like 3 weeks or so, and I have a wonderful news for you guys. My sister just gave birth to a wonderful girl, and I'm telling you guys right now, so you should be happy with me. I'm a father right now. I have a baby. And you guys will be seeing on my channel. I'll feature the child on the channel. And before the child was even born, guess what? I was calling this baby in her mother's stomach. Coco. Cody, that was what I was calling her. And everybody was just like, why would you give the child that kind of name? But it's a fun name for me, that's what I'll say. It's a fun name for me. So let me apply this thing all over my face. Can you guys even tell? I don't have mirror in front of me, and I'm doing my makeup to show how good I am. I'm doing my makeup without mirror. Truly. So primer is off from a makeup kit. I've used a primer from my makeup kit, so I'll look for a mirror. I think I'll get a mirror from her and Sean, and let me look for my foundation shade. I don't know, I'm trying this for the first time. This is what? Sweat block. Okay, I don't need that. Let me look for my perfect shade. I'm just trying this out, and let's just get ready. she has on her makeup kit, she has a lot of Zika foundation, and Zika is one of the foundation. It's a Nigerian brand. Zika is a Nigerian brand also, and she has a lot of Zika foundation. I think she's part of Zika PR. Zika Fine in makeup, because she has tons of Zika foundation. Like, she's obsessed with Zika, like I am obsessed with Flawless Ivy. Okay, so this will be the first time for me trying Zika foundation, and I think I'm going with this shade 035. I've tried this shade up. I'll try this shade. I like mixing my foundation, so I'll go in with, let me look for another foundation if I'll see another foundation, because I like mixing my foundations together. Laura True Match. This is one of the professional foundation we use here in Nigeria. Laura True Match, and everybody, like all makeup artists, have this on their makeup kits. So I think I'll be using this for two foundations. Foundation out of the way. Let's get glammed. Okay, okay. Let me must get my color. But this one, I have not really tried this, and it's a risk on my part. So I don't know if this foundation is my match, but I'm just using a 2-pump foundation. I really want to go on the full glam side, you guys. I really want to go on the full glam side. It has been longer. We're on makeup 1 month now. I have not filmed video. Like, I have not been on makeup for a long time, but it's giving me joy. I'm not done. Let me take this out of the way and use my brush to mix the foundation up. Guys, I like it. It's actually my favorite too. Okay, let me spread this all over instead. Spread over. It's actually my shade. It's actually my shade, but I think it's too dark. Like I said before, I like making my foundations dark, and I light very lightly. So this is actually my shade, so I can work with that. But foundation, concealer, and everything for foundation products and blending products, but all our skin products are in one place, like they're in one part, and it's really making sense. So it's really easy for me to figure out what I'm using. Everything. I think this foundation is dark for me, but I like it's matte. I don't know if it's a primer, but this foundation is really matte, guys. And this is my first time trying Zika foundation, like for my full face of makeup, and I'm liking it. It's actually matte. Chatbot just get ready with me, but I have a whole lot to say. But I'm actually going to film another video, like tell you guys what has been going on in my life, like lately. I can't wait to film that video talking about some tea with you people. So foundation is all out, foundation is all in. Let me look for concealer now. Okay, the concealer is right here. And for our concealers, she has Zika concealer and Elegant concealer. So let me try. I'm using the Zika foundation, so let me try and use the Zika concealer. But I think these two shades. So I think this concealer is really light, and I'm going in with fun. No, let me not go in with fun. I'm going with Toffee. This is Post. I'm trying. So I'm taking the Zika concealer. I'm taking this light shade. I'm putting it on the back of my hand. Like some reviews and some makeup artists I follow here on YouTube, like Life Beauty, she said this Zika concealer is really matte, like really matte. So I am placing it on the back of my hand. Let me just go. I'll put this under my eyes first of all. Put this under my eyes. Like my foundation is really dark, so I need to highlight where I need to highlight with you guys. And I'll put this on my inner tail, the lightest one. I'm putting it on my inner corner. I'll put it there. And you guys can see the transition. I can put it there. On a natural day, like if I'm doing Photoshop, I'm not going to do this kind of full glam, but I told you guys before, I'm doing a professional video after this full one. So I really need to look snatch, so I'm just blending it quickly. I didn't mention about the beauty blender. I don't know what brand beauty sponge I'm using, but I'm going to ask her before this video, like when this video go live, and I'll put it down in the description box, because this beauty sponge is so soft. It's so soft. It's soft like my hand. Like I said, I know this challenge I'm doing using Nate's makeup, like makeup by any makeup kit. I'm not going to be scared. I am not nervous at all because she works with one of the best makeup artists, and she's a good makeup artist too. So I'm not scared using a makeup at all because I know they're going to really work for me and my skin tone. Like you guys can see, the blend is insane. Get into the skin. So let me quickly go off camera and blend the other side of my eyes. And blend everything in again. Blend everything in because I want that hydration to come back. Like this concealer is really matte. The foundation is really matte, and I am loving it. I am loving it. This makeup is called. This is my makeup. I'll name it after the child. Cordelia's makeup. Oh my god. I know some of you will come for me in the comment section down below, but not my energy today. I'm just happy and I'm so excited. I'm coming back on set. Like I'm back in my planning, in my production, in my work. Like everybody, like I'm just so excited in coming back and filming with you guys consistently. Like during the last month, July has been so terrible. Let me say it. And I know this like July was so terrible. Like it was so terrible. And I'm myself on track. And I'm filming right now. I'm so excited, as you guys can tell in this video. So just stay tuned. I'm ready for those videos. Ready for it, okay? So let me just look for setting powder. I have used a setting powder from her before. Let me just look for it right now. Let me look for that same setting powder. It is the AO setting powder. Yeah, this AO setting powder. I really love using this powder, and I use it in one of my videos. It's going to be linked in the description box down below, so check it out. I'm using this powder to set up my face. I'm actually going with my favorite powder. Everybody give a shout out. Give me shout. You guys ignore that. But I actually love, you don't know, like if you have been watching me for a long time, you know that one brand I actually love, and it's a Nigerian brand, is Flawless IV. It's Flawless IV. I love their powder. I love their products as a whole. And I'm trying ZK product for the first time. That's why I've not really talked about ZK on my channel. So Flawless IV's own products I really like. So let me get my brush and do my powder and set it. I'm not baking into this video, no need for that. I'm not baking. So I am using this powder to set my under eyes again and just give it that nice transition. You guys can see, and you can see the full coverage this powder gives. Like if I said I want to go and build it up, like just pat it in, it's still going to give that coverage. Like I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. Coffee. Just use everything. You guys will get to know that anytime I don't mention Tracy's name in my video, you know that Tracy's not in the background. What happened? Oh god, I like him. I disturb Tracy's life a lot, and we always fight on my camera, and both of us have not actually. Tracy's a nice assistant. Let me not boss her brain because
she's a nice assistant.
She's a nice assistant, you guys, but she's just so. Let me not use the word. You guys look at the face. Tracy's look. You must see the face. Tracy needs to look at me at this camera. Bear the scene. Oh god, she's going to ruin my makeup. Well, let me just control my nose quickly.
NineJaloaded.com
I remember saying that thing on the first time on my channel. Like, I went from 0 to Vavavoom, and one of my friends texted me immediately, like, when she was watching the video, because it was a makeup tutorial, and when she was watching the video, she was like, this makeup took from 0 to, she was expecting for me to say I took the makeup from 0 to 100, and I said Vavavoom. She called me immediately and she was like, Festus, what is Vavavoom? What is Vavavoom? You are disgracing our family. I don't know, I just like that one. Like, this powder does not give a number. You can get into the skin. Zoom in, please. Just zoom in. Okay. Oh my god, like, I literally love this powder a lot, and I cannot stop using it. I cannot. It smashes my face. I'm not doing any heavy contour on my cheek, but I just want to do my glow on camera and the rest up things. And the Annie has a lot of glow, I know for that for sure. We'll call it for this video. I'm going to use a beauty sponge to push everything into my skin. And this is the finished look, you guys. This video, if you love it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and join the Fefarater's family. You can follow me on Instagram at Fefarater, on Facebook at Fefarater, and also join me and send me video ideas on my personal phone number right in the screen down below, so you guys will get to chit chat with me. So just subscribe to my channel and click these 2 videos right here to watch more, to watch me, and I'm going to see you guys in this video. Just click, it is free. I'm going to see you there. Click it. Click it. Yeah.